How to fix Wi-Fi not working or frozen on Google Nest Mini. To fix if your Wi-Fi is not working or it's frozen on the Nest Mini, you can first go to devices, and then you can go ahead and then select your device from the Google Home app. Once we're here, just look for the gear icon, which is the settings icon located at the top right hand side, and then we are going to land over here. Go to device information, and if your Wi-Fi is not working, the first thing we can try to do is tap on Wi-Fi and forget this network and reconnect it to see if that helps you. The other thing you can try to do is you can try to restart your Nest Mini. For that, you can simply unplug the cable and replug the cable again to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If it's still not working, then the last solution I would recommend is you factory reset it. To factory reset it, after making sure it's turned on, just hold your finger at the center of the Nest Mini like this, and it'll give you a pop-up if you want to factory reset. So you just have to keep on holding, and once done, you'll be able to factory reset and solve the problem. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.